What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. I know it's been a while since I put out a vlog, but like I said in previous videos, if I'm not doing nothing, I'm not going to make a vlog. But today I'm doing something. I'm supposed to be meeting up with my boy. We're supposed to have lunch to talk about what we got coming in the next couple of months. Within the next couple of months, I should say. We got a lot of content coming, and I also have a lot of solo content coming. I have this content idea that I've been cooking up for the last couple of weeks, and I can't wait to bring it to y'all. So just be prepared for this vlog channel to be flooded with good vlogs, quality vlogs. It's gonna be fun, and I just want to bring y'all good content, fun content, another side of me that most of y'all probably don't see, the fun side. So all I'm gonna say is just be ready. Turn that notification bell on so y'all don't miss a post, because like I said, I'm about to be flooding my vlog channel with a lot of vlogs. But enough of that. Hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm back. I just want to also give y'all some motivation. If y'all want to vlog, you know, don't worry about what other people think. No, because people gonna always have an opinion about what you're doing. Who cares? Just do it. You can't worry about other people's opinion, what other people are going to think. Oh, what if somebody laughs at me? Who cares? You can't go around in life thinking of what other people think about you. I do what I want to do, whether somebody like it or not. I'm gonna do me regardless. So just cleaning my shoes right now. Show y'all a little bit. Sneaks, get them clean, nice and clean. Start the day. I'm not playing. It's time to go up. No waiting. When you wait, wasting time. Can't waste time. Oh shoot, I forgot to open my sunroof. This is one of those type of days. Open that sunroof, hit the road. If I'm not making videos for my other YouTube channel, Solo Thoughts, if I'm not practicing DJing, I'm doing something. I'm making some type of content. You know, because that's what I want to do. And I feel like you don't need money to be positive. Some people got it in them, some people don't. I feel like God put me on this earth to push positivity. So that's what I'm going to do. Can't nobody stop me. Y'all gonna see a lot of positivity in these vlogs as well, but I'm not gonna try to put all the positivity on y'all, you know, because I don't want to turn this into a like an enlightenment channel or wisdom channel. Mix it up a little bit. If y'all want to see all that positivity talk and uplifting, just subscribe to my Solo Thoughts YouTube channel so y'all can see that. I'm on an adventure right now. You could be going 30 minutes away. You on an adventure. It's whatever you visualize it as. You know, turn nothing into something. That's what I'm about.
Strippers praying that they make it in. I don't like go crazy then. Big 580, I ain't in the baby biz. Fucking all the hoes, I don't got no lady friends. Big table strippers praying that they make it in.
I'm putting miles on that pussy, need to trade it in. Let that nigga know you safe, you ain't gon' make it in. Taking nails for that nigga, come and get a win. My little Asian bitch ballin' like she turned me in. Praying for a nigga's favor, take her out the streets. Zip down these mirrors, take her out to eat. Seven bags for my bitch, designer all week. YSL on my face, she sucking the key. Niggas fly, get active, we came in the fleet. Keep a bucket in my trunk, these diamonds gon' leak. Yeah, I'm on this bitch ass like she asked for Greek. Go crazy, but the bitch a freak.
Hit a button, push the pedal, now I'm drive speed. I'm like, go crazy then. Big 580, I ain't in the baby bins. Fucking all the hoes, I don't got no lady friends. Big table strippers praying that they make it in. I'm like, go crazy then. Big 580, I ain't in the baby bins. Fucking all the hoes, I don't got no lady friends. Big table strippers praying that they make it in. They going crazy, I ain't even through a dollar yet. Bitches fucking in my section, I know how to have it in for 10 minutes. Where the fuck's all my bottles at?
Hey, I like the bitch to get on top where all the riders at. Faking every time y'all fuck, she know how to act. You can tell she got her paper cause her body stacking. My man raised no one point back. Yelling out mercy like I pulled her wrist back. Hold this out where them niggas better shoot back. Put ice on my bitch, make her lips chatter. Drop the pins and sport it, then I hit a lap.
Hit the button, push the pedal, now I'm drag speeding. I'm like, go crazy then. Big 580, I ain't in the baby bins. Fucking all the hoes, I don't got no lady friends. Big table strippers praying that they make it in. I'm like, go crazy then. Big 580, I ain't in the baby bins. Fucking all the hoes, I don't got no lady friends. Big table strippers praying that they make it in.
Go crazy then. Go crazy then.
I was saying I was probably gonna have to get another little phone holder, but this one worked pretty good. I can actually turn it horizontal. Before it was falling and stuff, but actually got it to the point where it's stable, so I might not have to spend 20-30 bucks for another phone holder. That's a luxury. Save me money. I could put that money into some other equipment. So that's dope. I'm not complaining. So in both of these driving clips, the audio was distorted. I made a big mistake because I forgot to turn off my microphone while I was driving. But this is what you run into when you try new things. I've never turned on my microphone, my portable microphone, while I was driving. So now I know I can't turn on my portable microphone while I'm driving. Maybe it's just this portable microphone, but it was distorted. Unfortunately, a lot of these driving clips are going to get cut out. Now back to the video. We gotta run that back. Run that back.
Bitches, I got new motion. Winter time, I'm still riding with the roof open. Alright, made it. Nice little dry, little hour and some change, man. Back vlogging though. Boy, hold on. Feel good out here.
I ain't gonna do. We're gonna after this we can swap this.
Hey, they got here. Wait, what's that?
Right there.
That's like a mall?
Dude, that's the whole new pier.
Fat. You been in there before?
Nah, I ain't been there. What's that? Hey, last week, bro. I didn't know this shit was straight up. I was on the way to see y'all. Bro, when I saw you bro see my hoodie, he Russell.
Live Pro. East Bay Pro Wrestling. Saturday, March 9th.
Bro see my hoodie and he Russell.
Wait, where'd you get this from?
I was up in Concord.
In Concord?
It's a gas station. That gas station right off the highway before you go to Pittsburgh.
Mm-hmm.
The dude that was running the store, he's like, hey bro, I like fuck with your hoodie, it's clean. Come to find out, the dude standing behind me, he was like, man, he said if you like wrestling, man, you can enjoy this. Him, he was in there. He was in the store. I just fast forward, it was him.
Wasn't the hoodie? The one that's in the hoodie?
We're not gonna do it in front of you. Let's go. That means cut the damn camera off.
Yeah, he stopped me. He was like, hey, if you like wrestling,
that's dope.
You holding events, whatever it's called, East Bay Wrestling. We got cats from the Bay Area doing this. I'm like,
Oh, I see
all
that
right,
back,
great.
y'all.
Come show support. Let's get it. He said they do it every Saturday, so I'm like,
Every Saturday?
We gotta pull up.
Is it like a little tournament or something?
Basically, you know how like the little all brand type shit. I don't want to say little, but It's basically the off-brand, like not the off-brand, but it's like how can I put it? It's like the minor league of wrestling.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
the
Kind of
minor-
like how the boxing, you know, they got like
Yeah.
I think it's called like PBA or something.
Yeah, I think the minor pros. Or something.
Yeah. That's dope though.
I don't know.
Wait, did I lock my car?
That's me.
I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah, we on soccer. Auntie, she said that's good. After this, we going over here.
Yeah, that's good. About to eat a fat plate today, guys, man. Feel good to be back vlogging.
Oh, we did that, bro. I was up at Walmart. I'm finna come. I told you about the GoPro.
Mm-hmm.
It's $350.
350?
Yeah.
Where at?
Walmart. When I see it.
God dang, I gotta take it.
$350, and I think this is like the top one. Like,
Mm-hmm. 4K?
Yeah. Then they got another one. They got another one that's like this big. It's like this big, but it comes with the harness.
Oh, okay.
So that one I told you about, it comes.
I think I'm gonna get the fish and chips.
Chips again.
But yeah, that was, I ain't gonna lie, that was fire. What did you get last time? That was the shrimp. I always wonder why they play this type of music in these restaurants. This that you got a friend in me. What is that off of Toy Story? That's the type of music they be playing. It's the type of music that just make you wanna fall asleep. Man, they need a jukebox like back in the day so you could change the music. But anyways, back to the video. I'm about to tear this up, guys. I don't even know. Can't even look at this.
This one is barbecue sauce.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Thank you. Sir, we can change. Hey, lock it up for real?
I don't know if it's I think it might be a maintenance thing.
It probably is.
And then that,
You said since yesterday, huh?
since like yesterday, last month. Put one sleeve in the room. This is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about.
These meetings, bro, hey, they like the baby steps to what we really want to do. You know what I mean? Super, it's productive. You know.
And really, that's the key to saying is that's the key word. This shit productive.
Like, it's one thing for us to like talk on the phone, video chat, but it's nothing in person, bro. That's a whole different, you know, like, you can really like figure things out, plot, map things out.
I think this discussion is going to do a lot because discussion about like how many trips we're doing together. segments.
So over there, it's like you said, it's like a outlet or something. So do you have to go through the movies in order, or is it like?
Right here, it's like the movie theater. It's like stores. Over here. That's how I got the service.
Is it kind of like the Livermore?
I'm not going back with it.
I haven't been to that one yet.
Are you in there? You in there? It's cool. Right?
Because you know we was the first day we went to the mall, we went to the '90s party, so that kind of took away from the first day, you know.
What was the reason why I said it's like a soft? I call it a soft run. So they got to figure out what music. That's why I brought. I got to figure out what we doing this. How we doing this. How we only gonna do this for. I'm gonna just like take the beat up, cook until we know. We get beat blocked. Anybody, anyone else get beat blocked. We did. That morning, we drove that home like 6, not the New Year's, but brother party. It was a chance.
Pretty good.
All right, perfect. You guys need anything?
Napkins?
Napkin? Sure.
Thank you. Oh, that is it. Thank you. Thank you.
You guys want some water?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's see what this water hitting for. I would have gave this water an 8 out of a 10, but it wasn't cold at all. It was good, but it wasn't cold. They should have threw some ice blocks in there once they poured up in a glass, or they should have kept the water in the refrigerator in the back. But anyways, the food was good. Fire. Back to the video. Try basic sink water. And then try like Fiji water. You would definitely tell the difference.
You know why? So I started. Went from the sink to the Fiji.
Fiji go crazy. Daylight saving time coming up, I think next week. Tomorrow? Oh yeah, that's right, on Sunday.
An hour back.
Love it. So we get the extra help.
Oh. Maybe you might be on. Anyway, man, I can sleep in. You,
Take advantage of it.
that's all I do.
Man. Fresh from Lazy Dog, man. I was Lazy Dog.
Man, fire.
Hitting none.
Fire.
Yeah, that food was good. I ain't gonna lie. Scale 1 to 10, I give it about an 8.
You get an 8.
Solid 8. That's a good rating too.
I ain't gonna tweak on too hard and say it like that. It's a solid 8.
Solid 8. Yep.
Man, I definitely go here.
Yeah, for sure. This is our second time being at this different location though.
I mean,
Good.
trophy.
No lie, it's getting chilly out here.
I'm not sure that G-spot. This is show vlogging.
G-spot.
Make sure y'all stay tuned.
Bro said G-spot. I had no clue what he was talking about, but it sounded funny. That's why I started cracking up. But let's get into this next clip. Facts. Productive day today. Just got home, well, at the gas station right now, get some gas, filling up my tank. But yeah, this vlog wasn't super long, but best believe I got more vlogs coming for y'all. Just like I was telling y'all, the content idea I got coming It's gonna be like a little series, city to city series. So make sure y'all turn in post notification bells on so y'all can get updated when that series comes, because it's gonna be a movie, taking the content to the next level, taking these vlogs to the next level. So make sure y'all tune in, and I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Peace.